To get premium trading and investing tips, support on Patreon. How's it going, everyone, and welcome to another Market Watch video. Today the new team of the week has been released, but before we go into the team of the week, I want to show you guys my investment team that I posted on fifatrading.com. I do believe this team is a very solid one. I posted it yesterday to my Patreon group, to my premium trading group. If you're interested, you can check that out. The link is down in the description. Basically, my subs bought this team at 170k. Today is already at 200k on PlayStation, and I think that this team will be pretty OP for various reasons. I'll link the link in the description if you guys want to check it out. Why is that? But basically, I feel like this is going to be a good starter investment team, and it can rise like 50 to 100k still. So if you're looking to build a team, this is a great option for you guys. But let's go straight into the team of the week. If we check the team of the week players, there are some, in my opinion, really good investments. I still don't know at what prices we'll buy them. Of course, if you're in my premium trading group, I am posting players and have a bot working on it 24/7. Whenever it hits a target buy price or a target sell price, the players that we want to get, you guys will get notified if you purchase the gold tire, if you basically subscribe on the gold tire. But anyways, like, even if you watch my videos for free, I'm gonna take some of the players that I think that they will be really good investments, and the first that caught my eye is Alexander-Arnold, because there are good options at the right back in Premier League, but I do think he's potentially better than what Aurier was. I do think he's also taller if we look at the comparison with Aurier. There are good right backs in Premier League, but I do think he's 85 rated. He shouldn't be very low. He will potentially go up from that specific price, but he's taller than Aurier, and I do think he could be more in demand looking at this card. And I like him because right backs, full backs every year, they jumped up a lot in value. What you guys need to understand that we have a lot we had a lot of good investments last year with the left backs, with the full backs. Colorado, the 84, if he gets really cheap, you want to buy that card because he's going to be an SBC fodder card. Now, I don't know yet if tomorrow, like Lewandowski, when the SBC is released, it will require a really good potential OP team or not. But for what I know, like this Colorado card, if you stock up on some, if he goes under 20k, I do believe that will be a mad investment because for the year, as informs go up, the 84 shouldn't be that low in value, and he should be very good as an SBC fodder investment. Looking at Orban, I don't like particularly him as an investment that much. Also, like Conte, I do think they will go up because they're 84 and they should be lower throughout the week before the SBCs drop and drag them up in value, because these are more SBC fodder cards, meaning that they are in demand only for when an SBC needs them. So we're looking more likely now into this team of the week to invest in cards that could have in-game value, and I do think Coutinho would be a mad one. Like the Bayern Munich players, there's so many you can hyperlink up with. I mean, you can link them up, not hyperlink, because you can link them with the club super link, the green link, and Coutinho could be really good. He links to Perisic, he links to Lewandowski, which will get a player of the month. These sort of cards are really good investment wise. Atal, I need to check his skills and weak foot, which is mad. I didn't even see that. But as an 81 rated, if he goes close to this card, you want to swipe him up because for what I know, he's a left back or right back. Yeah, he's a right back as a gold card. But look at that left wing card. It's just mad. 4-star, 5-star. I do think this is going to be a mad investment because he's from League One and could link up to other cards as well. And could be a really good, cheap investment from this team of the week. Brozovic, I like quite some. I do think he's more likely close to what Pellegrini is. He will be higher in value than Pellegrini potentially, but I don't think he'll get a mad rise. If you invest in him, you will do okay. But from this team of the week, I really like, as a low price one, Atal. I really like Coutinho. I think Thiago Silva, Alexander-Arnold have to push up. As the SBC folder wise, I do think Colorado is a mad one, but he needs to drop really low. I like Thuram. I need to see how much his value is right now, but like the skill moves is not much on him, but he has good shooting ability, he has good pace, he's Bundesliga, he's French. He can be really cheap if he goes to discard. If you pick one, there's nothing to worry about. Same with Caputo. If you pick one, he's got mad stats. He's got 4-star weak foot, but he does not have 4-star skills, which is really important, but he looks good as stats-wise. He does not have probably a lot of agility if we look at it. He does actually 89 and balance 80, which is really important this year. So if you're looking to buy him, I think Caputo could also be a good investment. Now, moving on from the team of the week, just want to mention that Bernardo Silva was believed to get in for the hat-trick. He did not get in, and now people are panic selling him. He was like 45 or something K. This is what you can exploit right now. Because on Friday, he was like 28K, 31, 33 on Xbox. Now, these trends can already show you that he will potentially push back up, because Friday nobody believed, nobody knew that Bernardo Silva is getting into Team of the Week. He didn't play that game that well yet. Here's when he jumped up to 44K, 45K. Then he dropped today because of him not getting into Team of the Week. While the panic seller is going, if you're catching close to 30K, in my opinion, that's a really good buy that you can make and potentially make some coins when the market stabilizes. And before the first weekend league, he potentially has a lot of agility, which is really important this year. Balance and agility. He does not have that much pace, which is important as well this year, but he could be a very good card. And 87 rated. Like, if 87s jump to 30K, I do predict that Bernardo Silva, just because his Premier League, he will go up to 40, 45. He'll always float like 10K higher from what the 87 SBC fodder is. So you can look at him. And also, like, De Jong, like, if he gets back in packs, he will get it back in packs today. I'm sorry, guys. But in my opinion, like, if he's really capped at 10K, like Footbin says, I do believe that he's going to be a mad freaking investment if EA rise his price range up, because like an 85 red card, 85s per se, last year they were higher than 10K at specific points for the game. So even him being in demand, out of packs for so long, when the wants to watch period is here on Friday, he's going to be probably out of packs for 10 days. Like the wants to watches were in packs for 10 days last year. It could be the same here. So if he's out of packs for 10 days and you can pack him, snipe him at 10K, I do believe that's a really good shout. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, just drop them down below. I hope I answered most of the things regarding the new team of the week. And of course, hope to see you next time. Cheers.